Hey guys, I am trying to finish up this cup that I've been working on. This is a Bling Tumbler and it says Country Girl on here. I didn't get a chance to show you the beginning, but I will be making another one where I will be showing the beginning of how I do a Bling Tumbler. If you mess up on a tumbler, you do not throw it away. You can always do different things with it. And I messed up on this one, so I spray painted it and I am doing a Bling cup. And I will let you see the end results of this cup. I just want to show you the beginning, well, the middle, because I started this cup and it do take time to do this cup. I just love it. It's the colors I picked. It was just awesome. It says Country Girl. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom. Hit your notification button so you could be notified when I do my upcoming videos. I got more bling coming, but this is just so beautiful, you guys. But if you like it, please like it. If you comment, let me know your comments in below how you feel about the cup. But like I said, if you stay to the end, you will see the end result of this cup. Sorry there was no beginning. I was so excited on when I came up with the idea. I just got started and didn't do a video on it. So with that being said, I'm going to finish it and I will show you the end results. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back and done with this here 20-ounce tumbler. Look how amazing this tumbler look. All blinged out. 20-ounce tumbler. If you like this here tumbler, please go check me out on Etsy.com under the Unique Designs by Latanya. I'm sorry. And if you want to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment below. I will do better at showing you how I do things. It just takes so long, so I don't think I want to drag you out when I am trying to do these tumblers. But I thank you for watching this video. If you like this, more videos like this, please let me know. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload videos. Until the next time, guys, see you in the next video.